Did you know one of the #1 reasons a house floods is not a storm? Well, sure, you can have a hurricane, but that's not in all areas of the country. So what could happen in the middle of the home while you're cooling in a humid climate? Well, your condensation line can back up and it can flood the entire house. It's one of the most damaging things that I see is people not checking their AC. They get mold in the condensation line, it backs up, pours through the ceiling, in the floor or in the garage, and then soaks into the house. Then you've got to gut the house, dry it, you've got mold issues and drywall and insurance claims and all sorts of really nasty mess. You don't want that. You need to get your AC checked twice a year, purge that condensation line, and have us go through the whole system anyway to make sure it's gonna run right in the heating and cooling season. Now, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, I can help you. So what you're gonna do is go over to where that white pipe is, wherever your unit is, get a hose and push water through that, or you can pour a little Clorox down there, or if you have a high pressured air hose, you can purge that line out. You wanna do that at least twice a year or you're at risk of a flood in your home. Now, if you're handy and you can do a condensation safety valve yourself, wire it up into the system, by all means. If you don't know how, you need to call a technician to get out to your house to install that for your protection and your family's protection.